Hey everyone, this is Kyle from Money at 30, here with a quick tip about T-Mobile Money extending its top perks to Sprint customers. If you weren't aware, Telecom T-Mobile actually offers a digital bank account in partnership with BankMobile. Although you don't need to be a T-Mobile customer to open and use this free account, it does have some special perks for those with T-Mobile postpaid plans. Most notably, this includes the ability to unlock a whopping 4% APY. Now, following the company's merger with Sprint, those with legacy Sprint postpaid plans are eligible for the same benefits and interest rates. To get this 4% APY, T-Mobile and Sprint customers will need to register with a T-Mobile ID. Then, you'll need to deposit at least $200 a month in order to unlock the higher interest rate for that month. Also, this enhanced rate only applies to balances up to $3,000. Funds above that threshold will instead earn 1% APY. In fact, even if you don't meet the requirements to get the 4%, you can still currently earn that 1% APY regardless of your balance, which is pretty strong among today's other options. As for what else T-Mobile Money has to offer, despite its high interest rates, it's actually a checking account that offers a free debit card as well. This debit card can also be used at more than 55,000 fee-free ATMs that are part of the Allpoint network. Meanwhile, one perk exclusive to eligible T-Mobile and now Sprint customers who deposit at least $200 a month is what they call Got Your Back overdraft protection. This will allow users to overdraft by as much as $50 and not incur any fees provided that they bring their balance back to positive by the 30th of that month. Personally, as a T-Mobile user myself, I've been meaning to sign up for a T-Mobile Money account for a while, and this latest news was the perfect reminder to do that. So if you're interested in learning more about this account and what it has to offer, keep an eye on this channel for my full review in the coming weeks. Hopefully this quick tip can help you out, but for more personal finance content, including app reviews and beyond, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for good measure. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time here on Money at 30.